In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the main board out of your Sony XBR65X 850D. So let's get started. We're going to start with removing all the connectors first, starting with the power cable here. So I'm going to put pressure on the latch on the cable side and gently wiggle out. For the ribbons, we have two little latches that we have to press down. So I'll do that with one hand, and with my other hand, I will gently wiggle out the ribbon. Do the same thing on the larger one. There we go. For this one, we'll press on the sides over here and again wiggle out and put pressure on the top here. And finally, our speakers over here, same thing. We'll put pressure on the center and wiggle it out. Finally, the screws. And the board should lift up, but these do have thermal pads on the back side, so they might get stuck a little. So just be gentle and wiggle it out a little bit. You don't want to flex the board too much. There we go. So these are the pads I was referring to. So just be gentle and it'll lift right off. And to reconnect, we'll go ahead and start with the screws. And this time around, when we're connecting the connectors and ribbons, we don't actually have to engage the mechanisms. We can just slide them in, and you'll hear a click for all of those connectors. And there you go. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.